Hey guys, what's up? So today we are messing with a 2001 Ford Mustang that we picked up for about 500 bucks. So we're going to go ahead and jump in and see if we can get it started. We've already done a little bit of the primary playing with, and so far we knew the battery was completely dead, so we've already replaced that. And then the motor is seized. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that and see what we can do to get this thing started. So here it is, just a little V6. The body is pretty clean. It's got some paint damage, but we do live in Arizona, so that is very common around here. Little damage up front, nothing too bad. Overall, pretty clean car. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this and see what we can figure out. So I'll give you a shot of the engine. This thing has been sitting since 2014. We're now in 2021. So we're going to go ahead and give this thing a well-needed wash, and that way we can see exactly what we need to work with. Alright, so we went ahead and gave it a nice wash down, looking a whole lot better. So we're going to go ahead and try and crank for you. That's all we're getting. Oop. There was something. Oh. It's wanting to go. Alright, go ahead. Yep. Alright, so we were able to unseize the engine. Now we've got to hook up to the scanner. And I don't even know if you can see that, if it'll focus. But it's showing 0.2 psi on the fuel pressure. So it looks like we're going to have to replace the fuel pump. But we are going to go ahead and check fuses and make sure everything's good on that. So we'll get with you after we start tinkering around. Alright, so we went ahead and got the old tank pulled out. These two connectors here. There's a connector there. Two connectors there. The fuel line. And then the electrical for the pump. This gas has been sitting in here for about 8 years, so it smells like turpentine really bad. But we got the new one in, and we're going to go ahead and jump in and do an oil change to kind of get all that old oil out, and then we'll be able to try and run it for the first time, and hopefully it'll start. You And the plug is on the oil can still.
Oh, well, might want to fix that. Ooh, that looks like water. Oh, God, that is fucking nasty. Ooh, that's not good. Ugh. Yeah, it looks like white, gloopy shit. So hopefully it doesn't have a bad head gasket. Then again, the Torino's sat for several years, and the same thing happened to it. Some years of condensation and shit. Yeah, look at it, it's fucking nasty.
It's not even going.
Oh, it's not now?
No. Yeah, I'd say that's a problem.
Yeah. It made one drip. Yeah.
Well, I mean, that'll come later. We need to make sure this engine's not.
Well, yeah. Flowing now? Is that working? I'm guessing that's a no. That water's really fucking nasty. Wow. So we just yanking this motor? Well, I think I know why it lost oil pressure. Uh-huh. Oh my god. Wow. Dude. What does that to oil?
Water.
Yeah, that's like pure fucking nastiness.
I wonder if they ever did an oil change on it.
Well, remember, they didn't have coolant in the radiator. Yeah, we may be swapping motors.
It's starting to flow.
Thing is, it did run really fucking good when we started it up. Yeah. Is it starting to flow?
Yeah.
Still pretty scary looking. Yeah. Damn. Recording it. Fuck yeah.
I got it on the actual camera too.
Well, if it had all the coolant for the radiator in there, it would still be fucking chunky.
So probably just condensation for 8 years of sitting. Or when we power wash the engine bay.
I don't know. We'll put the oil and shit in there and run it and see. Do another oil change quickly.
I'm not seeing anything silver in it though.
No. No, we fill it up with coolant.
Why does it look like puddles of JD Weld up here?
Yeah, that's interesting.
Oh, up here too. And here. This.
Okay. That's the coolant teeth. Maybe that's one way of not fixing it right.
That's a really good way of not fixing it right. Because it looks like they JB welded the tube into the water pump as well.
Well, at least we know where another one's at.
Right?
Well, it looks clean up here and there. That looks like there's that sludgy shit ahead. So that's what's up. Oh, yeah, well, those are wrenches tomorrow.
Why do you not own an oil filter? No. Here at the house. Kinda.
I mean, technically, you are blowing the motor. Go for it.
You good?
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead. You should see the tire.
Oh, no.
Alright, let's see. You ready? It runs. After 8 years, it's finally running.